A long time ago, 4 young Christian men went on a peaceful retreat into the countryside. They were looking for calm, away from the noise of the world, to connect with God and themselves. As the sun began to set, they found a quiet place to rest for the night. It was a calm, beautiful spot surrounded by nature. Before sleeping, they agreed to sit in silence and pray, just like they did every evening. To help them focus, they lit a small candle and made a simple rule: we will sit in silence and not speak until morning, no matter what happens. They all nodded in agreement. But as night came and the air grew colder, a strong breeze blew through the trees. The candle started to flicker. "Oh no! The candle is about to go out," said the first young man. The second one quickly replied, "We're not supposed to talk. We promised to stay silent." The third man shook his head and said, "You both just broke the rule. Be quiet." Then the fourth man laughed and said proudly, "Ha ha! I'm the only one who didn't speak." Each one of them broke their silence, but for different reasons. The first man got distracted by the candle and forgot the real goal: silence and prayer. The second man cared more about correcting others than keeping his own promise. The third man let his frustration speak louder than his faith. The fourth man was so proud of himself that he didn't even notice his own mistake. They were too busy looking at what others were doing wrong, and they didn't notice that they had all failed in their own way. That's how many of us live today. We are quick to find fault in others but slow to see our own. Remember this: when you point one finger at someone else, 3 fingers are pointing back at you. If we learn to look at our own mistakes first and work to fix them, we'll avoid many arguments, stress, and misunderstandings in life. Therefore, never be too quick to judge others, because chances are, you are not perfect yourself. If more people focus on fixing their own flaws instead of blaming others, the world would be a much more peaceful and kind place. Thanks for watching.